Successful people read. Successful people listen. And successful people never stop learning. If you're not learning, growing, and evolving who you were yesterday, who you will be tomorrow is going to be no better. If you're not growing, you are falling behind. If you want to grow, you must start injecting your mind with new information, always looking for a new spark, something to light a fire inside you. Here are 5 books that will help you rise to a new level in your life, in every area, financially, spiritually, and physically. Number 1, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. A true gold mine for your mind, filled with golden nuggets. This book could change your life in any given chapter. Just try and find a highly successful person who has not read this book. I doubt such a person exists. Think and Grow Rich is the book said to have created more millionaires than any other book in history. You will learn the secrets used by the ultra-wealthy and successful, secrets and principles which, when applied, work just the same today. You will learn practical steps on how to transform your dreams into reality and how to apply all the traits of successful people to your life. If you have not read it yet and you are serious about success, make this your first purchase. Number 2, Unlimited Power by Tony Robbins. Written by possibly the greatest success coach of all time, Tony Robbins. Unlimited Power will guide you into discovering what you really want for your life. It will teach you all things human psychology, including how to reprogram your mind in minutes and eliminate any fears or phobias you may have. Tony will also teach you how you can duplicate the success of other people through proven practices. It's a must-read if you are truly serious about becoming successful and understanding how the human mind works. Number 3, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If you want to enhance your relationships with others, personally and in business, if you want to understand how to genuinely create and maintain positive relationships and respect with anyone, if you want to understand how to communicate with anyone to get that job, to land that deal, to create a winner's circle, this book is for you. It's no wonder this book has sold 15 million copies. The practical advice given by Dale Carnegie will transform your life. Number 4, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. If you want to be more productive, spend less time working, and make more money in the process, this one is for you. Eliminate everything from your life that takes your time for little reward and create more time for living. You might not be able or want to work only 4 hours a week, but if you can work less and earn more, this will be a very smart investment. And finally, number 5, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Learn how successful and effective people operate. Dive deeper into the 7 habits Covey says effective people share. Number 1, being proactive. Number 2, beginning with the end in mind. Number 3, putting first things first. Number 4, thinking win-win. Number 5, seeking first to understand, then to be understood. Number 6, synergize. And number 7, sharpening the saw. By reading books like these, and many others of the same caliber, you are expanding your mind into a new level. A level that successful people live in. You will soon be thinking like successful people think, acting like they act, believing like they believe, all in your own way. And in no time, you will be achieving and living your own version of success.